The third stamp station is somewhere deep inside this maze. I can find it super fast. I am so fast. I am going to find the stamp booth before anyone else does. Left turn, right turn. Ooh, which way is the center? I think I see a yellow sign ahead.
Welcome to Dinosaur Adventure Park. Today is going to be the most amazing family trip ever.
Look at that giant entrance gate, Mom. I cannot wait to see all the real dinosaurs.
Remember to stay close to us today, Mike. The park is huge and very crowded.
I want to see the giant T-Rex first. It is going to be super huge and scary.
Hello, young explorers. Welcome to the park. Take this map and join our Grand Dinosaur Challenge.
Wow! Thank you, Ranger Tom. What do we need to do to complete this cool challenge?
You must collect 4 special stamps from different zones to earn your shiny Explorer medal today.
I promise I will collect every single stamp and become an official Junior Dino Explorer today.
That sounds like a great plan, buddy. Let us start exploring the first zone together right now.
Huh?
The adventure starts here. Follow the map signs and keep your eyes wide open for dinosaurs.
Whoa! Look up there, everyone! That T-Rex statue looks so giant and completely real.
Look at those scary sharp teeth, Mike. Do you think it can move or bite? There is the first stamp station right next to the leg. Let us get our first stamp. Stamp number 1 is done. 1 down, 3 more to go to win my shiny medal.
Say cheese, kids! This photo will be a wonderful memory from our special adventure day.
Excellent job, Mike. Now let us head over to the sand pit for the fossil digging zone.
Look at all the sand and brushes over there. Everyone is digging up ancient hidden dinosaur bones. I am going to uncover the biggest fossil in this whole sandbox right now. Watch me. Look, Mike. I found a hidden footprint fossil. It was buried deep under the soft sand. I found another stamp station hidden right here. Quick, give me the special red ink pad. Yes, stamp number 2 is collected. We are officially halfway done with our challenge now.
Great teamwork, kids. You two are moving super fast like real professional dinosaur park explorers.
Take a small sip of cool water, kids. Stay hydrated while we walk to the next area.
Look at those gigantic green hedge walls. Welcome to the famous and tricky dinosaur maze zone.
The third stamp station is somewhere deep inside this maze. I can find it super fast. Wow, these leafy green walls are super tall. Make sure you do not get lost inside, Mike. Do not worry at all. I have super sharp explorer eyes. Follow me right into the maze. Hurry up, everyone. The final stamp spots must be hidden right around this quiet green corner.
Mike, slow down right now. Do not run too far ahead of us in the maze.
I am so fast. I am going to find the stamp booth before anyone else does. Left turn, right turn. Ooh, which way is the center? I think I see a yellow sign ahead. I found it. The third stamp station is right here waiting for me. That was super easy. Stamp number 3 is complete. Just 1 more stamp left to earn my shiny Explorer medal. Hey, Mom, Dad, Emma. Look, I found it. Come over here and look at my stamp. Wait a minute. Mom? Dad? Where did you guys go? Are you hiding behind that hedge? Hello? Can anyone hear me? This is not a fun game anymore. Where are you guys? Oh no, I ran too far ahead. I cannot see Mom or Dad anywhere around here. Should I run back? No, wait. Which way did I come from? All these green walls look identical. I am totally lost inside this huge dinosaur maze. What should I do now? I am scared. The wind sounds so loud. And I am the last kid left in this whole area.
Wait. Stay calm, Mike. Remember what Mom and Dad always taught me about getting lost anywhere.
Safety rule number 1. If you get lost, freeze immediately. Do not run around in circles.
Safety rule number 2. Find a clear landmark or park worker in uniform and ask for help.
That is right. Running around will only make me more lost. I need to stay calm right now. Look, there is a giant blue information sign right near that corner. I will stand right there. I am going to walk slowly to that sign and wait right next to it, just like Dad said. I am standing right under the big sign. This is the safest spot for me to stay put. I will keep my eyes open for a park ranger wearing a khaki shirt and safari hat.
Checking Section 4. All quiet near the maze exit. Everything looks clear and secure on Path B.
Hey! It is Ranger Tom. He is wearing the official ranger uniform. He can help me right now. Ranger Tom! Over here, please! I am lost and I need your help to find my family.
Oh, hello there, little guy. Stay right where you are. I am coming over to help you.
Do not worry at all, young explorer. You are completely safe with me now. What is your name?
My name is Mike. I ran ahead in the maze and lost sight of my parents and sister.
You did the absolute smartest thing by staying right under this giant sign, Mike. You are very brave.
Control Tower, this is Ranger Tom. I have a young explorer named Mike at Information Sign C. Copy that, Ranger Tom. His parents are right here at the main booth looking for him. Sending them now.
Whew, my parents are safe. Thank you so much for calling them on your radio, Ranger Tom.
You are very welcome, Mike. You followed the safety rules perfectly like a true smart explorer today.
Mike!
Oh my goodness, Mike, there you are! We were looking everywhere for you, sweetie! Oh, I am so glad you are safe. I was so worried when you disappeared around the corner.
Son, I am so extremely proud of you. You stayed calm and followed our safety rules perfectly.
I was so scared, Mike. I am so happy Ranger Tom found you standing near this big sign. I remembered what you taught me, Dad. I froze, stayed near the sign, and asked a ranger.
Your son showed incredible bravery and smart thinking today. He is a true model dinosaur explorer.
Thank you so much, Ranger Tom. Your quick help and guidance mean the world to our family.
Now, who is ready to visit the visitor center and claim that final challenge stamp today?
I am totally ready. I just need one final stamp to win my shiny Junior Dino Explorer medal.
Let us complete the final stop together as a family. Lead the way to the visitor center, Mike.
Wow, look at this enormous hall. The glowing lights and skeletal displays look absolutely breathtaking.
There it is. The final stamp station of the Dinosaur Explorer Challenge is right over there.
Here goes the fourth and final stamp. This moment is going to make my booklet complete.
Yes,
4 out of 4 stamps collected. My Dinosaur Explorer Challenge booklet is completely filled.
Congratulations, Mike. By completing the challenge and showing true bravery, you earned this official medal. I officially present you with the Junior Dino Explorer medal. Wear it with great pride, young man.
Look at how shiny it is. This is the coolest medal in the entire whole wide world.
You earned every bit of it, buddy. We could not possibly be any prouder of you today.
Now it is time for our grand celebratory family picnic right under this gigantic, gentle giant.
Pass the delicious sandwiches, please. Celebrating a grand adventure outdoors makes food taste 10 times better.
This is the best family trip ever. I learned how to stay safe and became a real explorer.
A toast to Mike, a brave explorer who stayed calm, remembered rules, and made the smartest choice.
Remember, friends, real explorers always stay calm, remember safety rules, and never hesitate to ask for help.
What a perfect ending to an unforgettable Dinosaur Adventure Day! Goodbye, everyone. See you on our next quest.